Friends, let's start today exercise 4.4 of chapter number 4, the last exercise, which is left now. The first question is, give the geometric representation. We have to give what? Give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to 3 as an equation. The first question is, so what we are given, y is equal to 3. We will start to solution now. Okay, so it is in one variable. So what we write, since it is in one variable, okay, it is the number 3 on the number line, number 3 on the given number line. So how to represent it? Say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we have to write here? It is -1, -2 and -3. So somewhere 0 here. But it is on what? Y-axis. Clear? Now then you write down just the second part of this question as an equation in two variables. As an equation in two variables. Now let's make in two variables. It can be written as what? 0x plus y is equal to 3. Clear? Now you can see the value of x. The value of x is what? 0. So how to write now? Value of x can be any number, but of y will continue to be 3. That is, value of x can be any number, but value of y will continue with 3. Because whatever the value of x you will put here, okay, you will get always 0 because it is multiplied by 0. So how to represent it on the number line? You can see here it is parallel to x-axis. This is what? X-axis, and this one is y-axis. Y dash x dash. So it is 0, -1, -2, -3. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is y is equal to 3. So a parallel line will be drawn from here. So it is what? Y is equal to 3. So it is what? The geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 on the number line. So you can see the question very clearly, and this is what the solution. Sure? So let's move for the question number 2. Now in question number 2, the variable has been changed. It is given as geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation. It is as an equation in what? In one variable, and in two variable. One variable and two variable. So first condition for one variable, what we can write here? 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to -9, x is equal to -9 by 2. So x is equal to -9 by 2. On x axis it will be 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. What is -9 by 2? Actually it is -4.5. So it will lie somewhere between here. So it is -9 by 2. Clear? So by this way it is represented in one variable, but for two variables for two variables. Now as the given equation can be written as 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0. So once again I will say that value of y can be any number, but x is equal to minus 9 by 2 will remain as it is. So in terms of two variable, how I will draw the graph now? This is what x axis, x dash, and this one is what y axis, y dash, and here it is y axis. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It will lie somewhere here, minus 9 by 2, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if it is the equation of x axis, it will become parallel to y axis. Clear? So this is what 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So these are the two questions which we have to be solved, and we have just completed. So whatever the questions have been solved today, okay, please mention this on graph paper. So whole equation you have to solve on the graph paper. That is, once again I am repeating, on one side you have to make the graph like this of this equation, and the solution can be written towards the left right side. For the same one, question number 2 also, okay, write the solution on the left side, right side, and draw the graph on the left side. So this is all about chapter number 4. And if you have any other references book like R.D. Sharma or Oswald, so try to solve maximum questions to find the solution of the given equation. Clear? So this is what all about the chapter. Stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.